Introduce yourself and your company.
So I'm Nusair, I'm from Zendu.
Rakean Zakir, ZenduMaintenance.
What does your solution do?
So our solution is an entirely Geotab integrated CMMS, so a maintenance management software, and basically it allows our customers to take the Geotab readings and import it to the software to create automatic scheduled maintenance based on odometer readings and engine fault codes.
What value does it bring to Geotab customers?
So the value that it brings to Geotab customers is that with preventive maintenance, it actually reduces your vehicle downtime, and when your vehicle is operating in tip-top shape, it reduces your fuel usage as well.
And it's a fully integrated solution, so you're not logging into two applications, you're managing one. So for larger accounts and larger customers, you're looking at less change management points and easier execution of delivery of the project.
What is your company mission?
Well, the Zendu mission today is to become the go-to one-stop shop for all fleet management applications for the Geotab platform. So we've currently got 50 plus applications on the Geotab platform, and we're looking to grow that every day.
How do you envision the impact that your company will have and the role of it in the future?
I think what's happening in the fleet management space is there's a lot of adoption in technology, but at the same time you're sourcing and you're using many different applications, both hardware and software. What we're looking to do is we're trying to consolidate almost all of the hardware vendors and the software vendors that we work with, and that makes it so much easier for a fleet operator to run their day-to-day IT and fleet operations.
So, fun question at the end. How long have you been with the company, and what do you enjoy most about working there?
So I've been in the company since May, so roughly a bit more over a month. And my favorite part about this company is that it really challenges me. I come from a technical background, and this being my first business-oriented position, it really gets me to learn about the business and challenges me to up my skills as fast as I can.
I'm from the industry, so I have a lot of opportunity to kind of wear many hats at ZenduMaintenance, and especially coming out to events like these, meeting industry peers. That's what excites me.